Can YouTube TV replace Netflix? YouTube TV and Netflix serve distinct purposes in the streaming landscape, each catering to different viewing preferences. Number 1. Content offerings. YouTube TV provides live television channels including news, sports, and entertainment. Features an on-demand library of recently aired TV shows and movies. Includes an unlimited cloud DVR for recording live broadcasts. Netflix offers a vast library of on-demand content, including movies, TV series, documentaries, and exclusive originals. Does not provide live TV or real-time broadcasts. Number 2. Viewing experience. YouTube TV mirrors traditional cable with live programming and scheduled broadcasts. Includes advertisements during live and some on-demand content. Netflix allows for ad-free, on-demand viewing of its entire content library. Enables binge watching of full seasons upon release. Number 3. Pricing structure. YouTube TV, priced at $72.99 per month for over 100 live channels. Additional cost for premium channel add-ons. Netflix offers tiered subscription plans starting at $9.99 per month, varying by video quality and the number of simultaneous streams. Number 4. Suitability as a replacement. Replacing cable. YouTube TV can effectively replace traditional cable services, offering a similar live TV experience with added flexibility. Replacing Netflix. YouTube TV is not a direct substitute for Netflix, as it lacks the extensive on-demand library and original content that Netflix provides. For viewers primarily interested in on-demand, ad-free content, Netflix remains unparalleled. In conclusion, while YouTube TV excels as a cable alternative with its live TV offerings, it does not replicate the on-demand, ad-free experience that Netflix delivers. Many viewers find that subscribing to both services meets their diverse entertainment needs, combining live television with a rich library of on-demand content.